Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tech and software tutorials that make work smarter, not harder. In today's video, we are diving into Perdoo, the powerful OKR and strategy execution platform that helps teams align goals, track progress, and drive real results. Whether you're a team leader setting company wide goals or an individual contributor tracking your own OKRs, this video will show you how to make the most out of Purdue. So let's begin by going to the official website of Purdue. You would notice that on the top right corner you have multiple options to log in, request demo, and start for free. Now we're gonna click the start for free button, which is gonna be the best option right now. All you have to do is very simple. You can provide your business or work email and click the company size and then click the start for free button. What would happen is you should be able to receive a welcome email from Purdue to activate your account. I want you to click that blue button, and then at this point it's very important that you provide all the information needed here in Purdue. Now here you can set up your own team. You can add team members if you wanted, but for now I'm gonna click the continue button. Okay, so at this point you have an objective. What I'm gonna do is put in this objective for today's video. You can launch Purdue or skip for later, or if you want, click this. We're gonna skip that for later. Now at this point, it's very important to know that you need to have a good internet connection, and if you're having issues accessing the website, you might want to use a VPN. After that, you would receive a welcome dialog box from Purdue. All I have to do is click the next button if you want to start your guided tour, but I highly suggest you click the X button. Now, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Purdue. Now, the quick start guide is going to be the beginner-friendly guide to help new users understand and how to use Purdue effectively. You see, you can set the strategy, add your ultimate goal, set up your strategic pillars, add a company OKR, and exit the strategy. And of course, add KPIs for your team, add a quarterly OKR for your team, invite their team, align with their team, report in progress, and configure progress reports. But these will be tackled once we go along on the left side panel of our main platform. Of course, the main homepage is going to be the overview of your tasks if you have that, recent updates, and goal progress. You can add a goal if you want. For example, is it going to be a KPI or an OKR, depending on your preference. If it's going to be an KPI, let's say for this instance, we're going to be using okay, so we can, matter of fact, we can be creative from this. We can add an image here, let's say, and click on save. All right, so we have the description, and that's going to be our KPI or key performance indicators. Our target is May 29th, and then the update progress is this. It's kind of healthy right now. Status is healthy, and then we have that here. Now I'm gonna click this and go to the main dashboards, because the main dashboard is the visual and interactive summaries of performance and strategic alignment. It is very useful to help monitor OKRs, KPIs, and progress at a glance across different levels. You have the engagement, performance, and of course the custom. All right, you can use any of the following, but these have been part of the goals already. We're gonna go to the goals, which is giving you the company. All right, now the company shows goals and KPIs and performance data at the organization-wide level. It is very useful for leadership and execs to view strategic alignment across departments, right? Again, you can add a KPI, or at this point, we're going to add a OKR. You can support another OKR if you want, or improve a KPI, since we have already created the KPI earlier. In this case, the time frame is going to be second quarter of this year, 2025. If you click the advanced options here, you can do that. You can put in the description, like why is it a priority, update frequency, and click the active. Okay. Now let's click on the save button. So we have now, apart from the KPI, we have added an OKR as well. Now the teams helps you focus on the team level for performance and goals. If you don't have a team yet, this is going to be the perfect opportunity to create one. All right. So team lead is going to be me. Team members, you can add team members here as you go along the way. You can add sub teams and click the save button. Helping departments or cross-functional groups align with efforts, their company objectives. Now, of course, the users is the directory of all users in the platform right here, which is kind of helpful if you are working in a collaborative environment because admins can manage user roles, permissions, and individual contributions. Now, all goals is going to be the consolidated view of every goal OKRs across the company, right? If you want to add an objectives, it's very easy. Type it here, click the save button, which is useful. It's kind of useful to filter and sorting and quickly finding any active or past goals. Now, under the perform section, we have the meetings, which is kind of tools for conducting goal-focused meetings. If you want to create a meeting, you can do that. You have all the participants. You can select from the following templates. First one-on-one, recurring one-on-ones meeting, collect feedback, personal growth, and career aspirations. For example, we're going to be doing this and click the save button. All right, at least there's 2 participants needed here. The performance reviews is where you can conduct and store structured employee performance evaluations that can be connected to a goal completion and KPI results. All right. The strategy offers the strategy map. It's going to be a visual representation of how your goals, initiatives, and KPIs align with the company's strategy. From here, it helps you ensure that everyone sees how their work contributes to the big picture. Last on our list is going to be the KPI boards, wherein you can track business health metrics that may not be tied directly to the specific goals, but are essential for a strategic oversight. Now, again, if you feel that you need to start the free trial, I want you to click this section right here. Okay. You can add existing KPI or create the new KPI depending on your preferences. All right. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of Perdoo. Basically, Perdoo is clean, intuitive, and powerful, especially if you're serious about OKRs and transparency across teams. It's ideal for organizations looking to scale with alignment and accountability. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and software tutorials, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Are you already using Perdoo or exploring other OKR tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what works best for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.